Okay, then. Let's take a look at our three participants here today. We start off with table number 1.
I am Chirag. I am studying in 7th standard. I am from Siddhganga Public School.
Moving on from Chirag to my next participant.
I am Chetan from 9th standard from Gurukula International School.
And I finally come to my third participant.
I'm Advait Hundi from class 8.
And while I'm at these three finalists or my three participants here today, I request all of you to click on the TV game show. On your screens, click on the button that says TV game show in green. And next up, there's a play button in blue. Click on the play button. And while my participants at the studio get ready to play, you at home, I hope you're already logged in, registered, and synced up with us so that you can join at the same time and all of us are on the same page while we're playing the game. So best of luck to you guys at home. And for my participants, we're going to have 4 rounds. Each of these rounds has got 3 games. I'm sure you've seen enough episodes by now for you to know what exactly happens here. So each of the games you need to score within 60 seconds and get it right. Okay then, that is round number 1. That is integers, 3 games to play to each one of you. Try and get as many right. Do not worry about the average time for now, okay? Best of luck to you guys at home. And first game coming up for you on your screen, number is 13. Use those 4 integers. Use 3 operators that are provided to you and try and give me the number 13. Chirag, Chetan and Advait, best of luck. All 3 of them off on a flash. And almost 45 seconds remaining. That's quite a while. And in the meantime, I'm hoping that you guys concentrate on getting it right because every different solution has a prize for it. Like I always keep saying, try and score as many prizes as you can. Chirag's done. Advait and Chetan still working towards it. They're almost there. Chetan. I think that was a wrong operator that you went for. That's all it was. Advait, 16 seconds. Don't worry. Just ensure you get the answers right. Okay, he's working on that. And so Chirag, you seem to have finished way before everybody. Seemed easy for you. You could see the numbers. What was it?
First, I
No, I don't want to know how you worked it out. I just want to know what you thought of.
thought of a game of intelligent mathematics.
Of intelligent mathematics. Well said. Okay, now tell me, using that intelligent mathematics, how did you solve this?
I first multiplied 7 into 2.
Okay.
Then 7 into 2 I multiplied.
7 into 2. Okay.
Then I minus 15 minus 12.
15 by 14. Okay.
Then I added both.
Just added the remaining numbers and you arrived at 13. Very well done. That's a nice way to start game number 1. The 2 of you, Advait, you ran out of time. Chetan, I think you were just pressed the wrong operator because you were almost there at the answer. Just be careful with what you're doing. Okay, moving on to my next one. Game number 2 on your screens. Here we go. Okay, the desired result is the number 6. You've got 4 numbers, 3 operators. Use them wisely and arrive at the desired result. Number 6 is all I want. Advait has taken his time. He's looked at the numbers and he's going for it. Whereas Chirag and Chetan are off on a flash. And Advait's completed that. Well done, Advait. That was fast. Chirag and Chetan. Chetan again making a mistake. Chirag, well done. You got that. Advait, this time you were fastest. So please explain to me what you did.
I did 25 minus 13.
25 minus 13.
Then I did 12 minus 7.
12 minus 7.
And then 5 plus
5 plus 1. The resultant addition led to the number 6. Well done. Game number 3 in progress then of round number 1 and the last game of this round. Coming up for you guys on your screen. Let's start with game number 3. Okay, 3 numbers. All 4 operators available, all of them on a flash doing very, very well. Okay, so it basically means they are about to solve it and they're all going to get points for it if they all get it right. If not, let's take a look at what happens. But that is after the break. Don't go anywhere. You're watching Numbers Be. We'll be right back. We are back at that point where game 3 in round number 1 is done. And Chirag, you were the fastest. If you can explain to me what you did.
5 plus 2.
5 plus 2.
Then I minus
7 minus 4, and you arrived at the answer. Well done. Let's quickly have a look at our round 1 scores. Only one round done. That basically means 3 games are over. We've got a whole match left, so that's 3 more rounds to go. But for now, round 1 looks something like this. Chirag, 3 on 3. Advait, 2 out of 3. Chetan, yet to open your account. Don't worry, Chetan. And I will move on to round number 2. Round number 2 coming up for you guys, and this is decimals. Best of luck to you guys. 3 games that you need to play, and try and get it all right. Okay, here it comes for you. Game number 1, round number 2 on your screen. Let's go. This is 3 different decimal numbers, 2 operators available, 60 seconds of time, and 10.975 is what I require of you. Advait, why are you in a hurry? You've hardly taken 9 seconds, 50 full seconds of time remaining. You don't want to do that. Chetan again. Chirag, you're the only last remaining hope of this game. Try and solve it. You have 30 seconds of time remaining. Don't land up making a mistake. Took his time. He went up to almost 37 seconds of time, which is perfectly all right. The idea, like I said, get it right. Otherwise, don't be in a hurry. There's no point to it. Okay, Chirag, explain to me what you did.
First, I 15 plus and
Okay.
minus 14.9.
Okay.
Then I add minus it again.
11.2 minus 0.225 gives you the desired result. And very, very well done, Chirag, because both of them did get it right, or rather got it wrong, and you had the pressure of time against you. You had only 20 odd seconds left. You still managed it. Very, very well done. Both of you, I don't know what, are you all trying to catch a train, a plane, are you all missing a flight? Don't be in a hurry. Take your time, get it right. That's all I keep saying. Game number 2 coming up for you. Round number 2, game number 2 on your screens. 3 decimals, 2 operators, and it's 6.3 that I want from you guys. And if you're at home, finally, I'm sure you can't see this, but I'll still tell you this. Chirag has made a mistake. He's got this wrong. The pressure has gotten to him. Chirag was in a hurry. This time, Advait has made sure that he got it right. Chetan's still playing the game. It's perfectly all right. And for you guys, I repeat myself, but I love saying this because we have so many prizes to give away. Make sure you're collecting those prizes, but that is all possible only if you keep playing the game. You can't stop playing the game, providing us with different solutions. And if your solution is one of those multiple possibilities which we choose from, you could be a lucky winner who goes home with a prize, or rather continues to stay at home and we send you a prize. Okay, so when you're playing online, make sure you're getting those answers right and try and work them out differently, because we might just choose one of those possibilities which might give you a prize. Chetan's ran out of time. Advait is the only one who got that right, and Chirag made a mistake. Were you in a hurry, Chirag? Because there were 47 seconds remaining. Why would you go for it that early? Okay, Advait, explain to me what happened.
I did 19.5 minus 19.1.
19.1?
Then I got 0.4, 5.9 plus 0.4.
Plus 0.4. Okay, it's a plus. Yeah. 5.9 plus 0.4 gave you 6.3. Well done. We'll just move on to game number 3. Then round number 2, game number 3 on your screen. Here we go. 28.85 is the desired result that I expect out of you. 4 decimals available and only 2 operators. You can either add or subtract and arrive at the desired result. 45 seconds remaining. Take all the time that you want. Do not be in a hurry. 3 of them concentrating really, really hard. That's the beauty of numbers, B, because we are taking on math like never before, with Chirag getting another one right, Chetan making a mistake, and Advait has a whole load of 20 seconds to play with. It's okay, take your time, Advait. Don't be in a hurry. And I'm moving into my last 10 seconds of time. It's okay, take your time. And that's time elapsed on your screen. Just okay, Chirag, you're back to getting it right. So it's your turn to back to explain to me what
I
you did.
added 26
Okay.
and 20.
And 20.
0.333.
Okay. And
Then I added 8.25
8.25.
and 9.333.
Okay.
Then I minus both the numbers.
46 minus 17. Okay, well done, well done. Okay, that brings me to the close of my second round, and I will move on immediately to my third round. This round is a round which I always say is confusing because it's got fractions. Okay, we're playing fractions. What about you, Chirag? Do you like fractions? Wow. I like how consistent you are with your no. You're very emphatic with it. That's really nice. And moving on to fractions then. Advait, you like it. Chetan, you don't. And Chirag also, you don't like fractions. Your taste at home, I really am not going to get to know right now, but I want you to play the game and continue with it. Game number 1, round number 3, coming up for you guys on your screen. Here we go. 9 by 8 is all that I require. In a flash, Advait, that was fast. That was fast. Chirag is still working out. Chetan is still working out. But I agree with you, Advait. You actually like fractions. That was fast. Less than 4, it's almost 4 seconds that you did. But I guess pressing those buttons took you more time. But almost 4 seconds of a reaction time to that question. And Chetan and Chirag almost done. I think Chirag's almost done too. There you go. There you go. You don't like fractions, do you? Not at all. Okay. Okay. I love that reaction from you. I mean, it was almost like he was shocked at the fact that he got the answer right. I mean, that rarely happens, but that's nice to see. But because you were so shocked, I want to tell me, what were you thinking?
I was thinking to multiply both the numbers.
Okay.
But
And-
then I mistakenly added both the numbers, which I got the answer correct.
Oh, you wanted to multiply, but you pressed the wrong operator and you got the answer. Outstanding. Outstanding. I think you deserve points for making a mistake and getting it right. Sometimes making a mistake actually does help in life. We move on to game number 2, round number 3, coming up for you guys. On your screen, what do I require? I require 16 by 7 as the desired result. Coming up for you. Go on. We've got 3 fractions to play with and 2 operators that you can use to arrive at the desired result. Wow, Chetan and Advait, well done. Advait, I like one thing: the way you see the problem, you wait for it and then you go attack it. What are you looking for when you're doing that?
Sir, I look at each number and I look at the
Correlation.
operates.
Okay,
operates.
okay. You operators and each number and you correlate them all and then you attack them at one time. Extremely well done. And Advait, since you're correlating and attacking them at the same time, can you explain to me what you did?
I did 18 by 7 minus 10 by 7.
Minus 10 by 7.
8 by 7 plus 8 by 7.
8 by 7 would give you 16 by 7. Well done, Advait. And Chetan, I see that you're getting onto the bandwagon and scoring it right. That's very good on your part. And at home too, I'm hoping you keep getting it right. The more answers you get, the more prizes you get. So I'll just move on to my last game of round number 3 coming up for you on your screen. Here we go. You've got 4 fractions to deal with, 2 operators to work with, and there's a desired result of 13 by 7. And just in case, I hope all of you do realize that all those fractions are got a denominator of 7 themselves. So
4 by 7.
it's pretty straightforward logic. Advait's cracked that logic, and there he goes. Well done, Advait. Well done. Chirag and Chetan. Chirag does not like fractions. Even his expression when he's playing a game of fractions, he moves a step behind because he does not like to touch the fraction. There he goes. There he goes. He's almost done and he's like, okay, thank God I'm done with fractions. You know, you actually remind me of a friend of mine. I had a colleague a while ago. Now he doesn't work with me anymore. You so remind me of him because he has the same expressions as you. I mean, very, very similar. Though I can't call it, he's much older to you. but he's much younger to me. So he always used to make fun of me as the old man. So between the two of us, I'm the older guy. So I can still tell you that you remind me so much of him. Chetan, what happened there?
First I done 16 by 7 plus 1.
Okay.
But afterwards I minus 4 by 7. It is
That's
not-
where you went wrong. Again, you seem to be having an operator problem. Just take your time because you still have around 10 seconds left. You could have taken your time to solve that out. Advait, great job. Clinical finishing. It's almost like watching Mohammad Kaif. I don't know if you remember Mohammad Kaif as a cricketer. Long time ago, there was a cricketer called Mohammad Kaif. He used to be a finisher. He used to come and finish games for India. You remind me of that guy. Very clinical, very fast. Well done. So explain to me what happens.
Sir, first I took 8 by 7.
8 by 7.
Then I subtracted 4 by 7 from it.
Subtracted 4 by 7.
Then again I subtracted 1 by 7 from it.
Subtracted 1 by 7 from that.
Then I got 3 by 7. I subtracted 3 by 7 from 6.
From 16 by 7. Well done. Well, nicely worked out. It was almost an anti-clockwise direction that you went around decimating whatever numbers that were available. Let's quickly have a look at the round 3 scoreboard because that is the performance of all three of them in this round. Consistent. Advait and Chirag neck and neck, 16.67. Advait's been way faster because you like fractions. Chirag, even though you don't like fractions, you managed to get all three right. Good for you. Though your timing is a little bit slow, but that's perfectly all right as long as you get the answers right. Chetan, still got 2 games done there. Very nice. Let's quickly have a look at the overall scoreboard. Here we go. Chirag at 8 games, Advait at 6. Had you only started a little earlier, Advait, you could have caught up with him at this round, but it's still not time yet. You've got one more round to play, and maybe you can catch up with him there. Chetan, good effort. Continue that effort. Don't stop there. And I'm saying the same thing for you guys. Do not stop your effort. Keep continuing so that you can get more prizes. But for now, I have to take a break because on the other side of the break is the last segment. In that last segment, what happens is there's 1 round to go, 3 games to play. If Chirag goes in for a fumble and he's not able to finish up, and Advait manages to get all 3 right, just the way he's been doing with fractions, because the last round is algebra. Which one of you is good with algebra?
Okay.
Okay. Okay. What about you? Okay. Chetan?
Okay.
All 3 of them are okay with algebra. So it might just be even Stevens. Come back for more. This is Numbers B. 1 last round to go. And I'll see you after the break. We're at such a precarious position because Chirag is in the lead with 8 games won. Advait is following him with 6 games. This, of course, is Numbers B, and we are back for the final round. And best of luck to you guys at home, too. Let's move into my final section, which is the round on algebra. Round number 4, game number 1, coming up for you guys on your screen. The desired result that I require is 5. You've got both the values of x and y to give. And there are 3 different numbers and 2 operators to work with. Take your time. 45 seconds. It's a long 45 seconds. But even for you at home, I'm sure 45 seconds is ample time to try and score this. Because algebra is not that easy. You need to apply, analyze, and deduce. So that takes a lot of time. So use that time effectively and try and give me the right answer. Chirag, you need to... you need to put in values in x and y, or else that OK will keep coming. Just click on OK. Click on OK on top. Yeah. Okay. Advait lost in thought. Chetan very busy. And Chirag's actually looking at the other screen. I don't know what you're doing looking at their screens. Just say OK. Yeah.
No, it's not. Okay, it's not coming.
Yeah. That's time, and time. All 3 of them. You need to enter the value of both the variables, and only then you can play this. That's why you all lapsed on your time on that one. I don't know what happened to you guys at home. My 3 contestants are finding this down slight bit tougher. Let's take a look at the possibilities that are available. 6 different possibilities. X had to be 3 and Y had to be 4. And you could have arrived at a conclusion. Okay, there are 6 different possibilities which you could have worked with. Okay, now that we're done with game 1, I'm sure game 2 would be slightly better. Best of luck to you guys. Game number 2 coming up for you on your screen. The desired result that I require from you is the number 6. You just need to add in the value of x there and use those operators and give me the number 6. Just go to the block there, enter the value of x. Okay, while they enter the value of x, and Chetan's still working this out. Advait, well in advance, he's gone through with this. That's time elapsed. Only Advait managing to crack this. Just click on the X button there. Okay. Advait, if you could explain what you did.
I made the x value equal to 3.
3 is what you did.
So
3 into 3, 9 minus 2 is 7. 13 minus 7 will give you 6. Well done, well done. Best of luck to you guys at home. And here we go. Game number 3 coming up for you on your screen. Now, there it comes. Okay. You've got to enter the value of both x and y. If you use your notepads if you want, try and calculate it first and then enter the value of x and y if that helps your cause. You've got 45 seconds remaining. That's quite a lot of time. So do your calculations and get to the point. Okay, slow build up, but sometimes slow and steady wins the race. So let's just see where they're going with this. Advait thinking it out. Last 15 seconds. Okay, where are we going? Undo. Okay. Oh, time's elapsed on all 3 of them. Tougher ones this time on algebra. But let's quickly have a look at the round 4 scoreboard. What happened with round 4? Advait, 1 game. Chirag and Chetan, no games. But you do remember, he had a lead of 1 game. You managed... Oh, did you have a lead of 2 games?
2 games.
2 games lead. I think that's what makes the difference here. Let's quickly have the overall scoreboard. That 2 games saved you, Chirag. Those 2 games on fractions saved you. 8. Had you not got any of those on the fractions, life would have been very different for you. But you did manage to get it. Otherwise, hard luck. Very, very good effort, but hard luck on that. Even your average time is way better than Chirag's, but it's that 1 game that makes the difference. Hard luck on that, Chirag. Congratulations. And you have qualified for the mega final. Okay, that's the time where we start giving away our prizes. All 3 of them, all our contestants doing very, very well. And I'm sure at home too, you've done exceedingly well and are awaiting those prizes. You just need to be lucky for some of those prizes. The others, if you've done exceedingly well, there is a prize awaiting for you. Let me start off with Chetan. Good effort. Very good effort. Here you go with your certificate and your Fun City voucher that comes along with it. Advait, hard luck, but what you said you actually did it in style. That's really nice to see. And here's your Fun City vouchers along with the certificate. And finally, the enthusiastic young man, Chirag, very, very well done. But I think you need to start practicing algebra a little more. Please go back to numbersb.in. So can you do that and practice as much as you can, because the mega final is going to be a lot tougher than what this is. Okay, so you need to come prepared for it. Go to the website and keep practicing. And here's your certificate, Fun City vouchers. And this is a Q&Q watch brought to you with best compliments from Sri Shankara TV and Ayush TV. Here you go. That then, ladies and gentlemen, is the end of another episode. Another interesting episode, because the last round had these kids a little confused. I hope that was not the effect with you guys. Hope you did very well. And do come back for the next episode where we're going to have a lot of fun, 3 new participants, and lots more prizes to be won for you guys. I'm Lloyd Sarana signing off, and this is Numbers B. Take on math like never before. See you next episode.